に合えばいいから、だからとりあえず12時にここに戻れればいいですよ。はい。で、その
the old capital came to this region, and he set up 3 shrines on 3 different mountains. And it's known as what's called the 3 holy mountains of Dewa. And we're here at Mount Haguro. And the tallest mountain that you can see in the distance is Mount Gasan. And there's another mountain behind that called Mount Yudono. And so each of these mountains represents a different stage in your life. This mountain here is the world of the present. The current, and then Mount Gasan is the world of the past, the afterlife, death. And the third mountain is the world of rebirth and the future. So monks would traditionally they'd make a pilgrimage to all 3 mountains and perform rituals or make prayers on all 3 mountains. And it would be known as what's called the journey of rebirth. You go from the world of the present into the afterlife, and you'd be reborn on Mount Yudono.
朝夕の勤行をはじめ、ひたすら祈りの日々を送ります。100日行の最終日、大晦日に行われる年越しの祭りが奨励祭。その祭りで2人の松聖は修行の成果を競うのです。